Don't get deflated over inflating. Hey, today we're going to talk about deflation. When you get off-road and you want to get out there and you're going to be bouncing around or you need a little more traction, deflate, and then you have to inflate. It's time consuming, and we're going to make it a lot easier today. So for years, I used a deflator like this. Put this on your tire, and you can take the valve stem out, and it releases air. So you just screw this in, and then you have a gauge here where you can test to see where you're at. This is fine, it works well, and I've done that for years. You can lower them, but it takes quite a bit of time. Then when you go back to air up, you air up each tire separate. So is there a solution for this? There is. This is Indeflate. Indeflate is an Australian company that makes a 4-tire air deflator inflator. And the time it takes you to air up one tire, you can do all 4, air up and air down. We're going to hook this up and show you how it works and how efficient it is to make your off-roading life a lot easier. So we got the Indeflate all lined out. So there's plenty of hose to go to each tire. So we'll now put each hose to the tire and start deflating and inflating. And I'll show you. It comes with this real easy chuck, so you can just stick it on there and you're ready to go. So we'll do that now. So we got it down to about 20 pounds of pressure. Oh, say it's 21. Anyway, we'll just leave it there. So it was real easy. That took the same amount of time for all 4 tires that it did one. So it also comes with this little thing that you can attach it. A lot of people have their air pump, their compressor underneath their hood, underneath their bonnet, as they say in England. So you can hang this right from your bumper, or you can just hang it wherever and watch the air go down. So you can do that. That works really well. You can just sit there. And so today we're using the Ironman 4x4 compressor, and I did a lot of research on pumps, but something just kind of blew my mind. In Overland Journal a couple months ago, they had a compressor comparison, and of all the compressors on the market, the Ironman 4x4 compressor was #1 for a lot of features and the price. The price is really good. So we're using the bigger Ironman 4x4, so we're going to get a little more airflow out of it. This thing really pumps air. So now we're going to pump all tires up. We're going to equalize them so they're going to be the exact same pressure for all 4. You just got off the trail, you're ready to go home. You can do one at a time, or you can just get it done. So you just take this cap off, little brass cap, and we'll screw this on here. Hopefully, just like putting it on your tire. And then we are ready to blow. We just filled all 4 tires up to 35 psi. It didn't take very long. Now we're going to disconnect it and put it all away, which is going to be a little bit of time, but super easy. This thing is amazing. I really think it's one of the ingenious inventions of the overland industry. For people who are like bags, there's a bag you can put in. It comes with it. You just stick it in there. It's flat. You can put it anywhere you want. Thanks for watching Kit Lab. You can find Indeflate, Ironman 4x4, and a whole bunch of different recovery and air products on our website, artemisoverland.com, or we have a store here in Springfield, Missouri. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with some new cool or old cool gear that you need to know about.